Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Mazda 3 fuel pump, only way. First, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the battery negative terminal immediately. Next, relieve fuel pressure by removing the fuel pump relay and running the engine until it stalls. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep rags handy to catch any spills while preparing to lower the fuel tank. Begin by raising the vehicle safely and supporting it on jack stands, then place a jack and wood block under the tank to hold weight. Remove the retaining straps or bolts while keeping the tank supported, and carefully angle the tank down to access the fuel pump access or pump assembly. Disconnect fuel lines and wiring as you lower the tank, and cap lines to prevent spills and contamination. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear repair guides. Quick recommendation: Darn Tough socks are a surprisingly great shop companion, built tough and backed by a lifetime warranty so you stay comfortable on long jobs. I link the product and other deals in the description below, so check those out if you want the exact socks. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the old pump assembly and clean the housing thoroughly, then replace the O-ring or gasket to prevent leaks. Fit the new pump carefully, making sure the fuel level sender arm moves without binding and electrical connectors fully engage. Reposition the tank, secure straps evenly, reconnect fuel and electrical lines, restore the battery, and cycle the ignition to prime the pump while checking for leaks before starting the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.